Good morning, year one, and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today you're going to need 10 bars and 1 cubes, counters, number lines, rulers, counting beads, whatever you need to use to do subtraction. You're also going to need access to a printed or online calendar, and you're going to need paper or a whiteboard for your answers, both to the starter and for your drawing task. So once you've got everything ready, we'll have a look at what we're doing today. Okay, so today we're doing subtraction, and we know that because of this sign here. Okay, that means take away. So remember, you are taking the smaller number always away from the larger number at this stage. Okay, so when you're ready, pause the video and have a go at the sums. And grown-ups, whether your child wants to do one at a time or the whole lot in one go or a column at a time, that's completely up to you and them. When you're ready, start the video again. Okay, so our first sum, you've got 5 objects, you take 3 away. You can do it on your hands. You've got 5 fingers, fold down 3, you're left with 2. Again, you could use both hands for this. You've got 9 fingers, fold down 3, you're left with 6. Now you probably want to be using your number beads. Count out 12 and take away 3. So that would be 10, which is one colour, plus another 2, and then count back 3, which gives you 9. 3 minus 3? Well, if you've got 3 things and you take away 3 things, you've got nothing left. Next one, 15 take away 3. Again, number beads probably. 12. 18 take away 13. Now this is where probably using a ruler would make more sense, and you can jump your way back. Or you could use 10s and 1s, take away a 10, and then take away 3 1s, and you're left with 5. Now, you've got to think about this. The sum has turned round, but it doesn't matter. So you're starting with 7, and you take away 3. So you've got 7 objects, take away 3, that leaves you 4. Now, this next one, probably I would use number beads. 20 number beads is how many, 20 beads is how many you've got on your line. So you've got 20, take away 3 of them, you're left with 17. Next up, these are a bit trickier now. 12 minus something makes 3. So you could start at 12 on your ruler, count back until you reach 3, and that would give you 9 jumps. Now we can use commutative law here. 12 minus 3 makes 9 because we know those 3 numbers match together. Now we've got 15 and we've got to count back to 3. It's 12 jumps, so that gives us 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3. And again, by the same law, we would know that 15 minus 3 equals 12. 18 minus something equals 3. That's quite a lot of jumping back. And you could jump on one and do that, and this time you're going to count back 18 and you need to get to 15, which is 3. Now you could use commutative law to recognize that that's 15, because there's no reason that you can't do them in different orders. And then these last two are the real challenge. If you were to use commutative law, you'd end up with 15, 5 and 15, which, you know, those are 2 of the numbers, and those added together make 20. So then you can apply it, and you know 20 minus 15 equals 5, and then this last one, 20 minus 5 equals 15. I bet you did brilliant with those. Now on to the main part of the lesson. Okay, so this is a month of the calendar. It's not the month we're in yet, but it's a month that's quite significant in my family's, because a number of my family have birthdays in this month, but we're going to talk about how it's laid out first. So the first thing is, this stands for MUN, stands for, what do you think? It's a day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So the first day of May is on a Friday. So if we were to write the date, we would be writing Friday the 1st, but we don't actually write the word third, and we put an ST up there. Now you've seen that on the board a lot. And we put the month May, and I always tend to put the year, so it's 2020. Okay, now what your task today is going to be identifying, using a calendar, important dates. Now the first date I'm going to circle is this. Now that's my wife's birthday. So what I would write is Wednesday, 6th, and we put a TH for May. Sarah, that's her name. Birthday. So that's what you're going to be doing. Now I've got another one. 11th of May. It's my birthday. So I would write Monday, 11th May. And I put Mr. Richards' birthday. So now we're going to have a look at another month. So this month is August, which again is quite important for my family. And it's the first day of the month is Saturday the 1st. And there's also, like the previous page, there's 31 days in August. Now, if I was to mark up important dates here, it would be the 16th. Because the 16th is Lily and Caitlin's, my twin daughter's, birthday. And they'll be 13 this year. So I'd write that one out as a significant date. Then I've got another month and another child. And this time, again, it starts Friday. And again, there's 31 days in the month. And this time, I'm looking at the 17th. Now, that's Ben's birthday. Now, can you tell your grown-up what day Ben's birthday is on? Oh, brilliant, year one. That's right. It's on a Sunday. And just another question. If you have a look at the bottom here, it says 31st, Halloween. So on the 31st of October is Halloween. What day is that on? That's right. That's also on a Sunday. Okay, so I've got one more important month in my family. And that's April. But there's something weird about April. How many days are in April? What's the last number on the April calendar? That's right, it's the 30th. Now that's something we're going to look at in the summer term. But some months have less days than others. Now, from my family's point of view, the most important day in this month is the 14th. Because that's my mum's birthday. Okay, so what day is she born? What day is her birthday this year? That's right, it's on a Tuesday. So her birthday is Tuesday the 14th of April, and she's going to be 84 this year. So we're going to be looking again at April in a lot more detail later tomorrow. And I'll explain why that is tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to move you on to today's challenge. Okay, so your task at home is as follows. If you can get a printed calendar, or you can get a calendar up on your tablet or on your mum's or dad's phone, you're going to put all the important dates of your family this year. So it'll be your birthday, it'll be your mum and dad's birthday, it might be brothers and sisters if they've got birthdays, it could be your granddad, whatever you call them. It could be even some of your friends if you know what birthdays they have. So that's your first task. I've got one here which you could print off. But once you've done that, you are going to choose the most important ones. It's up to you, grown-ups or children, how many of these you do. And you're going to draw pictures showing how they are celebrated or they're remembered. If you can, when you've done your pictures, choose the one you're proudest of. It might be your own birthday, it could be somebody else's birthday, it could be something else completely differently. And if you can you email it in to us on homelearners@stveronicaslancs.sch.uk, and we'll try to share it on the Year One website. Okay, so that's the end of today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed the task, and I can't wait to hear from you